Excuse me, I have to use the bathroom. Can you please feed my baby monkey?
Oh my goodness, no, I don't like monkeys.
But he's cute. He's just a baby.
Monkeys are monkeys. What if he bites me?
My monkey doesn't bite. Please, I have to use the bathroom.
Okay, fine.
Yay, thank you.
Okay. There you go, baby. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Thank you for watching my... Where's my baby monkey?
My
Baby monkey! Why is he on the floor?
He jumped out of my hand.
No, I think you dropped him.
I'm sorry. Please don't tell the police.
I don't know. I feel like I should tell the police unless they subscribe.
Guys, please subscribe. I don't want to go to jail.